BulgarianMilitary.com has received this information from sources in Ukraine as well as Ukrainian web publications. The sources include a Ukrainian surveillance drone that was able to locate an entire battery of 8 122mm D-30 mobile howitzers and subsequently target them for attack. The Kherson region housed the Russian 122mm howitzers battery. It has 8 howitzers in it. 58 different motorized infantry brigades are in charge of leading Ukraine's defense in this area. BulgarianMilitary.com recalled that a few days prior, the Ukrainian military had attacked the Russian Federation's howitzers in the same area. According to BulgarianMilitary.com, on March 23, close to Kyiv, the Ukrainian army took control of the Russian Federation Krasukha-4 low Earth orbit satellite destroyer electronic warfare system. According to images posted on social media, Ukrainian soldiers in the northern area of the Makariv, close to the capital Kyiv, managed to seize the control unit of the Russian army's Krasukha-4 electronic warfare system. The picture was reportedly taken at least a week ago. The confiscated system is classified as a control unit of the Russian electronic warfare system 1RL-257 Krasukha-4, according to defense specialists.